Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, December 12, 2022 on our channel. Global walk-in refrigerator market, forecast from 2022 to 2027. Backing the Montreal Protocol, role of the Multilateral Fund. Daikin Modular chiller system for office building. Commercial refrigeration for retail. What's new at EuroShop 2023? Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Global walk-in refrigerator market, forecast from 2022 to 2027. Walk-in refrigerators are employed to store and preserve food, grocery, and pharmaceutical items from the harmful effects of bacteria and fungus. Walk-in refrigerators ensure and provide more space than standard conventional refrigerators. The large and convenient storage space of walk-in refrigerators makes them suitable for storing food and grocery items. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Backing the Montreal Protocol, role of the Multilateral Fund. UNEP Executive Director's speech at the 91st meeting of the Executive Committee of the Multilateral Fund for the Implementation of the Montreal Protocol, Montreal, Canada, 5 December 9, 2022. Mr. Hassan Ali Mubarak, Chair of the Executive Committee. Mr. John Thompson, Vice Chair, distinguished members of the Executive Committee of the Multilateral Fund. Colleagues from implementing agencies and other organizations. Colleagues from the Fund's Secretariat. Guests and friends. It is my pleasure to be with you today, my first time at a meeting of the Executive Committee of the Multilateral Fund. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Daikin Modular chiller system for office building. Daikin recently supplied chiller units from the R32 small inverter chiller series to meet the cooling needs of an office building of a major Spanish bank. Products installed: 8x UHCZ. Total cooling capacity: 800 kilowatts. The project was executed in Girona, Spain, and aimed at refurbishing an old HVAC system. The project was meant to provide the building with a more efficient, environmentally sustainable, and also flexible system. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Commercial refrigeration for retail. What's new at EuroShop 2023? On February 16, 2022 at 11 a.m. set time. For free. Register the speakers. You will learn about the latest innovations, new solutions for commercial refrigeration at EuroShop 2023. You can ask your questions directly to the manufacturers of refrigeration equipment and components. The event language is English. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.